Photoshop Smart Objects do not lose their quality when we scale it or resample or rotate it compared to vectors or images which are not converted into smart objects in Photoshop. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. We get to work with all kinds of images and vectors. We scale them down and scale them up. In the process, the real quality of the image is lost. So the first action when we import a vector object or add an image to design a composite image in Photoshop would be to convert the image or vector object into smart object. Select the image layer and right-click on it. Next, select Convert to Smart Object. Select the layer and click Ctrl+T on the keyboard to scale it up and hit Enter, and again scale it down and hit Enter to see if there is any difference in quality of the image. There is no pixelation or blurriness in the image. Smart Object do not lose its quality because the sharpness and color information is embedded within the Smart Object when we convert them. Smart Object refers back to the original image information when we scale or rotate or edit them. See, when we double-click on the Smart Object layer to edit it or make any changes, we are taken to original image we used in the composite image. And when we edit or make any changes to the original image like adding text, the same changes are effected in Composite Design Document 2. You can type and convert text into a smart object. When you try to edit it, like color changes if you want to make, or change the font, you can do it and save it. The same will take effect in the Composite Design 2. And this is why any vector object or image needs to be converted to smart object to keep the quality and other image information intact for superior clarity. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial on Photoshop Smart Objects. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful, and subscribe on my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.